Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use a 1x2 and yarn to make this. So first you're going to take the yarn and then cut those into about 4 to 5 feet each. You don't have to be perfect on this because later you are going to trim them all the same length once you glue it all to the piece of wood. So you're going to start gluing. I just took some hot glue. You can use super glue or whatever you want, and then just start gluing each piece on one by one. After you get everything glued for the one side, you're going to hang it up on the wall for a second and just cut them all straight. And I cut mine at about 3.5 feet. And then once you have all of those pieces glued on, you're going to take the inside piece and then take it all the way to the outside. So the inside piece is going to be all the way on the outside, and you just do this for every single strand. So how I got the right measurement for this is a 3-foot 1x2, and I measured 1 foot and then 1 foot in the middle and then 1 foot on the side. So each section is 1 foot. So you can see the mark with the pencil that I made right there. So these are the last couple pieces and I'm done. I absolutely love how it turned out. This thing only cost me $6 to make. It was really simple. And I will link all of the products that you will need in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos. Thanks for watching.